Hello and welcome to another tool order training video. Today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be logging into the SlipApp application. The SlipApp application is the application that will be used via a web browser in order for you to use it as a customer display to display to the customers exactly what their current bills are. So first thing that you're going to do is you're going to navigate to the slipapp.toolorder.mobi website as listed above here, which will also be linked in the description below. Your support or installation agent will also be able to send you this link at any time. You'll be greeted by this blue screen over here that will request you for your email address and password. So once you have typed in your email address, all that you have to do is you have to click on the sign in button, and then from here it will load up a list of your tenants. And in this case, I will have quite a number of tenants listed on my name because I'm testing quite a few. But in your case, you will only have one tenant. The moment you select that tenant, it will ask you for the specific location that you will be signing in. And then once you have selected that location, it will then pull through all the necessary information from the local devices. If you should need any further assistance, what you can do is you can actually go to our tool order website where you can go to toolorderpos.com/support, and then you can log a ticket with us. You can call us at any time, or you can also send a WhatsApp.